In this video, I am about to show you how to properly enable Vertex AI API. To get you started using Vertex AI, this page guides you through how to create a Google Cloud project and enable the Vertex AI APIs. If you don't have permission to perform these tasks, ask an administrator to set up a project and enable Vertex AI for you. Also covered on this page is how to set up the Google Cloud CLI in your local development environment. In the Google Cloud console, on the Project Selector page, select or create a Google Cloud project. Next, make sure that billing is enabled for your Google Cloud project and then enable the Vertex AI API. Now install the Google Cloud CLI. To initialize the gcloud CLI, run the following command, gcloud init. After that, update and install gcloud components update, and gcloud components install beta. This section describes how an administrator grants the roles needed to use Vertex AI. Determine a meaningful project name and project ID to identify your project. Access to most Vertex AI capabilities is granted by the Vertex AI user IAM role and should suffice for most Vertex AI users. To explore the differences between these and other Vertex AI roles, see Vertex AI Access Control with IAM. If you also intend to use Vertex AI Workbench instances in Google Cloud, ask your administrator to grant you the Notebooks Administrator IAM role for the project, as well as the Service Account User IAM role on either the project or the Compute Engine default service account. Additionally, to enable the necessary APIs, you either need the Service Usage Admin IAM role or your administrator needs to enable the APIs for you by following the first few steps. Ask your administrator to enable Vertex AI APIs for you. If you're granted the Service Usage Admin IAM role, then you'll be able to do this on your own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.